When is Independence Day of Indonesia celebrated every year? Answer is option C, 17 August. Friends, Independence Day of Indonesia is celebrated every year on 17 August. Indonesia was declared independent from the Netherlands on this day in 1945. The day is also known as Hari Kemerdekaan. How many women candidates were elected to the 17th Lok Sabha? Answer is option B, 78. Friends, out of 542 MPs in the 17th Lok Sabha of 2019, highest ever number of women have been elected, which is 78. In the 2019 Lok Sabha polls, a total of 724 women candidates. Which of the following countries became the first to declare climate emergency? Answer is option B, United Kingdom. Which ruler built the Sanchi Stupa? Answer is option A, Ashoka. Friends, Sanchi Stupa is a Buddhist complex built by Ashoka. It is situated in the Raisen district of Madhya Pradesh. And friends, you know the capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. It is considered the oldest stone structure in India. It was built by the Mauryan Emperor Ashoka in the 3rd century BCE. It is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Sanchi Stupa motif is a feature that can be seen in the new rupees 200 currency note. The Sanchi was discovered in the year 1818 by Henry Taylor, and an archaeological museum was established in 1919 by Sir John Marshall. The national motto of India, Satyameva Jayate, inscribed below the emblem of India, is taken from. Answer is option D, Mundaka Upanishad. Blank amendment increased the number of Lok Sabha seats from 525 to 545. Answer is option B, 31st. Friends, the 31st Constitutional Amendment Act was passed in 1973. The act reduced the representation of union territories in Lok Sabha from 25 to 20. Out of 545 members, 530 members are directly elected from the states and union territories. 2 members are nominated by the president, who represents the Anglo-Indian community, in which case the Union Parliament legislature has only the power to make laws. Answer is option C, matters dealing with cyber laws. Water boils at a lower temperature at high altitudes because. Answer is option D, the air pressure is less. Which of the following animals can live for the longest duration without drinking water? Answer is option A, kangaroo rat. In India, core sector industries do not include. Answer is option C, sugar. Friends, in India, there are 8 sectors that are considered the core sectors: electricity, steel, refinery products, crude oil, coal, cement, natural gas, and fertilizers are the Indian economy's 8 core industries. The 8 industries account for 40.27% of the index of industrial production, means IIP. Which of the following soils of India is most suitable for cotton cultivation? Answer is option D, black soil. Which of the following is a tributary of river Brahmaputra? Answer is option B, Manas. Friends, the Manas river is the right bank tributary of the Brahmaputra river. The Manas river flows through Bhutan and Assam in India before it joins the right bank of the Brahmaputra river. It is named after Manasa, the serpent god in Hindu mythology. Which district of Jharkhand has maximum Adivasi population? Answer is option A, West Sirbhum. Blank is the largest bauxite producing state of India. Answer is option C, Odisha. Friends, the capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Friends, Odisha is the largest bauxite producing state in India. More than half of India's bauxite deposits are found in Odisha. Bauxite is an important mineral used in the production of aluminium. Kalahandi in Odisha is famous for the production of bauxite. In which of the following states is the Bihula festival very popular? Answer is option C, Bihar. Friends, capital of Bihar is Patna. It is well known festival in eastern Bihar, especially in the Bhagalpur district of Bihar. Devotees pray to goddess Mansa for the well-being of their families during the festival, which takes place every August. Which of the following is an example of bacterial disease? Answer is option A, typhoid. The largest island in the Indian Ocean is? Answer is option D, Madagascar. Madagascar is the largest island in the Indian Ocean with an area of about 2,26,658 square miles. It is the fourth largest in the world after Greenland, New Guinea and Borneo. Madagascar lies 250 miles off the eastern coast of southern Africa. Who discovered the inert gases? Answer is option B, Sir William Ramsay. Friends, the inert gases of the noble gases were discovered by the Scottish scientist Sir William Ramsay. The inert gases are also known as aerogens. These are also known as noble gases. Acid rain is due to air pollution by? Answer is option A, nitrous oxide and sulfur dioxide. In 1904, who organized Abhinav Bharat as a secret society of revolutionaries? Answer is option C, V.D. Savarkar. Friends, Abhinav Bharat Society was a secret society founded in 1904. It was founded by Vinayak Damodar Savarkar and his brother Ganesh Damodar Savarkar. Abhinav Bharat Society was initially founded at Nasik as Mitra Mela. It was renamed by Swatantraveer Vinayak Savarkar in 1904. Abhinav Bharat Society was formally disbanded in 1952. Friends, if you like the video, then do not forget to like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel.